Hello, today we would like to introduce you the BHA 3000 Hematology Analyzer. Jetin BHA 3000 Hematology Analyzer utilizes both Coulter's principle and Beer-Lambert law to determine the granularity, diameter, and inner complexity of the cells. WBC, RBC, PLT adopts the Coulter's principle, also known as volume impedance technique. HGB adopts Beer-Lambert law. The concentration of hemoglobin in the sample can be calculated by comparing the absorbance of the diluent with the absorbance of the sample. After the analyzer is turned on, the interface is shown in the figure. Tap the Mode button, you can select the type of blood mode. Tap the Information button, you can enter the sample information. Wait for the analyzer to load and then the test operation can begin. Put the mixed sample under the sample probe. And press the test key to starting counting. Remove the test tip after sample aspiration. At the end of countdown, the result will be shown on the screen.